Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular air fryers, the Instant Vortex Plus and the Ninja DZ401 Foodi. We will evaluate these products across various categories to help you make an informed decision. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. The Instant Vortex Plus is priced at $169, whereas the Ninja DZ401 Foodi comes at a slightly higher price of $229. Keep in mind that prices are subject to change, so it's always a good idea to check for any discounts or promotions before making a purchase. Both air fryers offer a 6-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. However, the Ninja DZ401 Foodi takes it a step further with its dual-zone technology, which lets you cook two foods simultaneously with separate settings. This feature can be quite handy for preparing full meals. The Instant Vortex Plus boasts even crisp technology, ensuring a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. On the other hand, the Ninja DZ401 Foodi incorporates IQ Boost, which optimally distributes power for faster cooking. It can even cook a 6 lb whole chicken inside as quickly as possible. The Instant Vortex Plus is a great option for serving 4 to 6 people, while the Ninja DZ401 Foodi takes it a step further with its XL family size capacity. With the 10 quarts capacity and two 5-quart baskets, you can whip up large family meals or cook up to 8 pounds of chicken wings with ease. When it comes to cleaning, both air fryers offer easy-to-clean baskets. The Instant Vortex Plus also provides the convenience of a dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. Similarly, the Ninja DZ401 Foodi comes with dishwasher-safe crisper plates, making the cleaning process hassle-free for both products. And there you have it, a detailed comparison of the Instant Vortex Plus and the Ninja DZ401 Foodi. Both air fryers have their unique features and advantages, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.